tētahi tai, choose your colour.
This one?
We used to come together and have a straight up kōrero conversation session, but then we realised that it would be a lot more fun if we played games and everyone would feel a whole lot more relaxed. So, Kēmu and Kōrero, we gather here every Tuesday from 10 to 11 during the term time.
Kia ora.
So we are going to play some Māori games.
I enjoy it so much because I've been coming here since I started Oaktec.
At Oaktec, we work with young people with learning disabilities aged 18 to 21. We started coming along 2 years ago. It's a permanent fixture on our roster. It's become a really important part of the day for us.
So let's practice that. Ready, go? Haere ki rona. And what do we say when we're sliding down the tuna? Haere ki raro. Let's practice that one more time. Haere ki raro.
When I first came here, it was many, many years ago, and I know that coming here because I'm with these lovely young people and they bring in that real youthful zest. The older people like we are, we actually thrive on it. It's just like, you know, say, miharo e hau e ai.
The young adults, they're a lot of fun.
They're very competitive, some of them.
I need a 2.
2.
It's them that keep me coming back.
We're both winning at the moment, Josiah.
For once.
It's a real sense of community, a sense of belonging. It's really important that they know that there are some things that they can access in the community and share stories and create friendships.
It's been really amazing to see how much people's te reo has developed over time, and it's uplifting to be around youth and they get us excited and going in their hard case, and so it is really uplifting to spend that time with them.
Oh, yay.
Oh, yay!
Do you guys have any favourite parts?
Everything.